Hello friends, thanks for watching Baking with the Bakers. Today is another craft video and we are going to finish up our unicorn punch embroidery kit that we've been working on. We are going to be doing the body today along with the background. So let's get started. Alright, let's take our white yarn. We're going to thread the needle and then we'll get started on the head and the body. What I did was separate the body and head into two parts. Where this line is where I decided I would do just the head. Don't forget the top of the ear and make sure you go along the stitches of the mane. Once you reach the outer arm, you're going to carefully move around and then enter into the arm and fill it in. Afterwards, you just continue up to the neck and then straight across to the back, as you'll see demonstrated in just a moment. Once you have your outline done, you can just go ahead and fill in the body and the second arm. It should look like this when you're done. Now let's continue on to the head and ears. Alright, now you should be able to see what the finished unicorn itself will look like. And we are going to work on the heart. So get out your red thread and we will start punching the heart. Now that the heart's finished, you're going to take out your green thread and thread your needle. This is going to be for the entire background, and I actually had more than enough of the yarn to go through the whole background, even making mistakes. You're going to start with your outline and work your way in. I chose to start here, but you can choose to start anywhere along that pink outer line, going around the inside of your embroidery hoop. This is what your outline will look like, and you're going to fill in that entire outline around the unicorn and heart. This is a few rows in. You see that I'm touching the heart, so I'm going to show you how I go around the heart in this clip right here. This is what it looks like once you've done around the heart and the entire space behind the mane. Then you're going to fill in the rest. This is what your final product will look like. There are many different ways of hanging or displaying your work. Like this one, I have just sort of out of the hoop and laying around. I plan to put it on a frame. You can keep it in the embroidery hoop though, so it's however you wish to display your work. Thank you so much for crafting with me and completing this project with me. If you would like the same kit shown in these videos, or even the rainbow one, I will provide links to those in the description box. Once again, thank you for taking this journey with me, and have a happy holiday season.